I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Hiccups. Peppa, George, Mummy and Daddy all were having plans. It is a lovely sunny day, and Peppa and George can't wait to go into the garden to play. Mummy, please can we out to play? You can go out to play when you finish your breakfast. George, don't drink your juice too quickly. George drank his juice too quickly and now he has hiccups. Can't go out to play now, Mummy. Not while George has hiccups. George's hiccups are gone. Mummy, haven't they, George? Oh, all right. You can't go out to play, but look after George. Peppa and George love playing in the garden. George, I want to throw the ball and then you have to catch it. George, please stop hiccuping. George! Now you throw the ball into me and I have to catch it. George! Oh dear. George hiccups are spoiling the game. George, I know how to cure hiccups. You have to do that I say. Rub the top of your head and rub your tummy. Good. Now your hiccups are gone. Peppa cool hiccups doesn't seem to have work. George, you've done it all wrong. I know a better way to cure hiccups. First, jump up and down 3 times on one leg. Now, wave your hands up and down and stick your tongues out. And now, close your eye and turn around quickly. 3 times. Peppa, new cure hasn't worked either. George still has hiccups. I know, to cure hiccups. The eel piggy must take given shock. George, I'm going to scare you, but you must remember, it's only a game and it'll stop your hiccups. Remember, this is just the pretty scaring. Peppa, you mustn't play too roughly, George. He's only little. Sorry, Mummy. I was just trying to stop George's hiccups. George, his cough has gone. Here comes Daddy Pig with 2 breakers of juice. George, if you drink too quickly, you will get hiccups again. I'm not as little as George. I can drink just as quickly as I want to.